Good afternoon, everyone. We're at the PAARC job site. My name is Mike Brower with Hunt Utilities Group, and Colin McLean is behind the camera. We're out here with the crew from Lakeshore Construction doing day 2 of our pour on the floor of the cement. Basically what we're doing is they're laying it in the garage and they're going to be pouring the apron today. And right now they're just setting down the concrete and bull floating it and getting it smooth, and then they'll go back behind and trawl it out and get it to the finish that you see in this building. This was done yesterday. So a couple of things. We have floor heat installed in this building, and it's going to be using a proprietary hydronic heat system that we've developed, and these are the tubes for it. These tubes all go to different areas around the floor. The red tubes over there run all the way under the floor, and they're over in the garage. These tubes right here. And these 4 zones feed the entire house in different areas, and we set it up so that the areas that need the most heat can get the most heat. And that's usually the perimeter of your building in the winter. The center of your building does not need as much heat. It tends to retain the heat much better than the sides. So you tend to want to put most of your heat on the outside of the building. So after this needs to cure up for a few days. And after it's done curing, then we'll be able to come in here and get started on the walls and the rough in on the windows. And that stuff will be going up, and we'll have a little update on that next week. So appreciate you taking the time, and hope to see you again.